Hi guys, this is Manohar. I'm going to give a presentation on how to configure D-Link with your laptop or PC. Showing a D-Link with 4-line connectivity along with D-Link, you will be provided with one cable and adapter. Now I'm connect this yellow cable to my D-Link router and my PC. Yes. Now I'm going to connect my power cable. After that, I simply connected my internet provider cable to my D-Link router. Now all the connections are done. Now in the PC, we'll open the browser and type 192.168 dot 0.1 and press enter. This is default IP address to configure D-Link router. Now showing is the page is the default D-Link router page. Here you can see your SSID and key. This SSID is your D-Link Wi-Fi router name, which can be renamed as your wish. I'm rename it as sorry. Now I'm rename it as D-Link. With the key, it is the security key. It must be 8 characters. Give it as my D-Link 123. Now click on save and connect. Will be redirected to a login page with a default username and password. Click on login. It will shows D-Link portal. In the top menu, you will select setup, and here we have two options, manual and next. Click on next. This page shows various connection types. From here, please select dynamic IP and click on next. This page shows your D-Link properties like SSID, channel, mode, channel width. In the bottom of this page, these are the security options available here. If not required the security, you can disable security. You can select this disable security radio button. Otherwise you can select WPA PSK. Now click on next and finish. It will take less than 1 minute to configure the settings. Now you will be redirected to here. Now I am going to disconnect this yellow cable from my PC and go to your Wi-Fi connections. Here you can see my D-Link is available here. I'm going to connect my D-Link with my password, my D-Link 123. Click on OK. It is connecting. Yeah, it is showing some selected location D-Link. I can save it as my home network and click on close. Now I'm going to check my Wi-Fi connectivity in my PC or not. Okay, next open another tab. Here I can check my internet connectivity by accessing this Google URL. Yes, now it is connected. Yes, guys, now successfully installed D-Link to your PC. Thanks for your time.